Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there were two women and each had a son with her. A wolf came and carried away the son of one of them. One of them said, it has carried away your son. The other said, it has taken away your son. So they took their dispute to Hazrat Daud's court. He thereupon gave the decision in the favor of the older one. After coming out, they met Hazrat Sulaiman bin Daud alayhi salam and appraised him of the incident. He thereupon said, bring a knife so as to divide it between you. The younger lady therefore said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shower His mercy upon you. Don't do so. It is her son. He alayhi salam thereupon issued the decree in the favor of the younger lady. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu says, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I heard the word sakain first time on that very day. Otherwise we would call a knife al-mudya. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6769.